Hello everyone and good morning. Hope you all are doing good. Now the monsoon season is going on and it is raining a lot today. I am very excited to share with you my first long video on this YouTube channel and a very beautiful rainy day. So let's go. I have this heart-shaped red color box. I got it as a gift and it's very old and rusted inside, as you can see. Now I'm going to cover up the rust first, and I have this beautiful glitter paper. I will cut this glitter paper in the proportion to the inside of the box. It was fun to cut the paper into heart shape and it was also satisfying. Now I'm covering the inside not only to cover the rust but also to make this box a little better. It will also bring a very new and satisfying look for the box. Now I'm using Asian Paints acrylic wall putty here for the icing, of course, and it was so satisfying mixing it up because of the creamy texture. I just love it. I'm using 1mm nozzle for it. If you want colorful icing, you can use a little bit color. I didn't use any color here, I'm keeping it white. I have never made a real cake, but I feel good enough to icing this cake like this, and it's satisfying enough, After completing the icing in the sides, I'm going to put some icing in the middle also, because I'm going to decorate it also with some charms. Here I have some charms that will use as the top decoration of the cake. One of them is a half macaron cake and the others are raspberries. I will also add some icing to the bottom of the box to make it look nicer. And this is the final look of this fake cake. It's looking very beautiful and stunning. It will become a much more beautiful thing to decorate your home. You can put your crafting items or any jewelry here. I'm putting some of my jewelries over here and I hope you like the transformation of this box. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day just like this cake.